Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown, welcome back. Well, I know a lot of people who are afraid to make turkey gravy, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make an outrageously crazy delicious turkey gravy. To make this gravy, I did make my own broth. Okay, now, remember to hit that subscribe button. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Now we're left with this beautiful base, and we're going to just go and heat this back up. Here I'm going to make a gluten-free roux so that I can make a gluten-free gravy for friends that have celiacs. We're going to start by melting some butter. This is a 1/4 cup, 4 tablespoons. Once that melts, I'm going to add in 1/3 of a cup of gluten-free flour, and I'm just going to check the consistency because I'm experimenting with this today. So I'm going to sprinkle in 1/3 of a cup of gluten-free flour. I'm going to mix that together, and we're just going to cook this until we get the color that we want. I ended up adding a little bit more flour to get it a little thicker. I ended up going with 4 tablespoons of butter and about 1/2 cup of gluten-free flour. Now we're going to finish this. You just start spooning in your warm turkey broth into your roux. To this amount, we're going to make a quart, so we're going to add in 4 cups of broth. Once you've added it all in, then you're just going to stir it around until it thickens and becomes the consistency that you like. That might take 7 to 10 minutes. If you want to bring this at least to a simmer, you might want to cook it over a medium heat. But you have to see the bubbles in it to get it to thicken. Look at that. This has been cooking for about 5 minutes already. I'm just going to cook it a little more, but looks to me as if it's just about done. Another minute or 2, that's ready. Now let's just taste to correct the seasonings. Oh boy, that is delicious. Just like that. It doesn't need anything else. Just taste yours to correct your seasoning. Remember to leave your comments below, and remember to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.